amazina gange wa Yusuf Malowa namba mu Uganda. Nalwana lutula nisili mu bulamu bwange. Gaya bange bafa lufuno nga basili bafwiti. Mumbuke fwitiri basali base bafa kuhuwani.
Yusuf attended the class where I was teaching. He used to be very weak at these times. I realized he was becoming worse because of HIV, and he could not enjoy himself anymore, and walking was a problem, and he could not come to school as expected. One day he missed at school. I visited their home and really saw that he was almost dying. No one seemed to care for him, so I took him and treated him with our natural medicine. After some time, he improved and things changed.
His condition became better and he received new hope for his life. Now he can do anything normal people do. He can run, he can play football, he can plan for his future. Nowadays, he lives with us and is part of our family.